Want to create this realistic page fold effect in Canva? Let's make it step by step. Step 1. Take a blank landscape page. Step 2. Add any picture from elements. I'm using the Taj Mahal. Step 3. Search and add a square shadow. Step 4. Crop it into a rectangle shape. Step 5. Adjust brightness to capped under 78 and saturation to 4. Six. Duplicate the shadow and place it all over the page to create that folded page effect. And that's it. You've just created a realistic page fold design in Canva in minutes. If you liked this easy and simple Canva designing tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more creative Canva tricks every week.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.